How to share videos as documents on WhatsApp in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share videos as document on WhatsApp in iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your video which you want to share. Then after you've done that, tap on the share icon on the bottom left. And after you do that, scroll down. Now, after you scroll down, you'll then need to add this file to your files. By file, I mean video to this file. You'll find Save to Files option. Tap on that and then simply save it somewhere. So I'll just save it to my recent or simply to a folder which you can create. So let's just create a new folder and name it video. Then tap on save and save it right here. After you save this video as in your files, you can then head back, go to WhatsApp. After you're on your WhatsApp, you can then tap on the plus icon on the bottom left, then tap on this document option, then tap on choose from files. After you do that, you head over to the video that you just saved in the video folder, then select the video, then tap on open. Doing that, you'll have sent this video as a file on WhatsApp. There you can see this is a video document MP4, and yeah, that's how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.